Hello children, welcome to the SST class of 3rd standard. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 20, Early Man. In this chapter I am going to discuss about early man, their shelter, clothes and food, hunting tools, discovery of fire and invention of wheel. The objective of this topic is to make the children aware about the progress made by early man through the discovery of fire and invention of wheel. Students, our ancestors looked very different than we do today. In fact, some of our earliest ancestors may have looked a lot more like a chimpanzee than a person. They are early humans. They lived in jungles. Today, I will discuss about their food, shelter, and their hunting tools. Now it's reading time, so open your book at page 103. Chapter 20, Early Man. Food. Early man lived in jungles. He wandered from place to place in search of food. Wandered means moved. He ate wild fruits, berries and roots of plants. Underline the word berries and its meaning is a small soft fruit with seed. Students, early men moved from one place to another in search of food and shelter. He ate fruits from trees and roots of plants. He hunted wild animals with stones and ate the raw flesh of animals. Underline the word hunted. Its meaning is to chase and kill. Early man killed animals and ate them raw as he did not know how to cook food. He used sharp stones for hunting. He was a food gatherer. Gatherer means collector. He did not know how to grow crops or to cook food. Now here the question is, why was early man called a food gatherer or a hunter gatherer? Early man was called a food gatherer as he moved from one place to another and he did not cultivate his food in a particular place. Now next is where he lived. Early man lived in caves to protect himself from wild animals and bad weather. Underline the word protect. Its meaning is to save. He covered himself with skins of animals or leaves of trees. Students, early man did not live in houses like us. He lived in caves or on trees. Why did early man live in caves? Early man lived in caves as he was afraid of bigger and stronger animals. And he also wanted to protect himself from bad weather. He did not have clothes to wear, so he covered his body with leaves or barks of trees and skin of animals. Hunting tools. Gradually, early man realized that it was easier to hunt animals and dig out roots of plants with sharp pieces of stone. Underline the word gradually means slowly. Then underline the word realized means understood. He made tools of stone that had sharp edge. Students, earlier we discussed that early man was a hunter-gatherer. He found it easy to kill wild animals and dug roots of plants. He used sharp-edged stones for hunting. He started sharpening and polishing stones. Sharpening means to make something sharp. He made weapons with stone, bone, and wood. Then early man learned to sharpen the stones and he made better tools using bone, stone, and wood. They used these tools not only for hunting but also for cutting and digging. The earliest weapon was the wooden club. Then he made spears and axes. These tools were improved with the time and requirements of early man. They made spears, hammers, and axe heads. Which was the earliest weapon of early man? The earliest weapon of early man was the wooden club. Students, today we have discussed the food, shelter, and hunting tools of early man. Now, your homework is to reread the topic, revise terms, and write on copy. Thank you.